The Microsoft Store is only available on Windows, not macOS, but you can still download it, and here is a alternative way. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google Chrome on your MacBook. Make sure that you have the Google Chrome in order to download Microsoft Store in your device, because any other web browser will not work. Then in search address bar, search for the Microsoft Store and navigate to it. Once inside the Microsoft Store, make sure that you are in the official website. Now, in order to install this on your MacBook, all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear on your screen. And from the drop down menu, all you have to do is tap on the cast, shape and share button available there. And you can see install Pages as a app option available. Tap on it and the installation will be started. Confirm the installation. Now go to the Chrome app folder in your MacBook, then open this Microsoft app. For easier access, you can put it on your desktop as well and open it. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.